Welcome back to Maybe You Known, the channel where science meets the questions you never thought to ask. Every video, we pull apart one strange truth about the universe, your body, or the world around you. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next. A black hole is the most terrifying object in the universe. Not because of what it does to you, because of what it does to the laws of physics. If you fell into one, you would experience time differently than anyone else in the universe. You would see the entire future of the cosmos flash by before you died. And what you would find the center. We have no idea. Our best equations simply break. So let us walk through what happens. Second by second, all the way down. First, the outside view. If you watched a friend fall into a black hole, you would see something impossible. They would appear to slow down as they approach the event horizon. Their image would freeze, growing dimmer, redder. They would seem to hang suspended at the edge forever. Because gravity near a black hole distorts time itself, your friend's clock runs slower relative to yours. From the outside, they take infinite time to cross the horizon. But from their perspective, they fall in seconds. They would not even notice the event horizon passing them. Now your experience falling in. You cross the event horizon and notice nothing different. No flash, no bump. Space feels normal. But something wild is happening. Above you, the entire observable universe is compressed into a smaller and smaller patch of sky. You see the stars bunch up. You see light from the distant future, light from galaxies that will not send light for another billion years. Time on the outside speeds up dramatically from your perspective. You watch civilizations rise and fall in what feels like seconds. The universe ages visibly as you fall. And then the tidal forces begin. As you fall deeper, the gravity pulling on your feet becomes stronger than the gravity pulling on your head. Your body stretches, not painfully at first, but faster and faster. You elongate into a thin strand. Physicists call this spaghettification. It is not metaphorical. You literally turn into a line of atoms. Your molecules break apart. Your atoms break apart. In the final fraction of a second, you're a single stream of particles falling toward a place that may not even be a place. The math says it is a point of infinite density, zero volume. Here is the deepest secret. What is at the bottom? The honest answer: we do not know. Einstein's equations say there is a singularity, a point of infinite density where all physics breaks. Quantum mechanics says infinite density is impossible. So one of them is wrong. Some theories suggest black holes lead to other universes. Some suggest information is stored holographically on the surface. Some suggest you emerge as a different version of yourself in a white hole. No human will ever know. You cannot send information out of a black hole. Whatever is down, there's the only place in our universe that is forever hidden from us. The inside of a black hole might be the only true mystery left in physics. But there is one thing even stranger than black holes. White holes. The theoretical opposite. Subscribe to find out what they would actually do. Thanks for watching. If this sparked a question, drop it in the comments. It might be our next video. We'll see you next time.